Hello and welcome back to our channel. In this mini-series of 3 episodes, we are going to show you 15 tips how to handle depression. So please make sure that you don't miss out the other episodes. Notice: depression can be very dangerous. So please keep in mind that your loving family and environment would feel happy if you would look for professional help in case you are not feeling well. We wish you all the best from the bottom of our hearts. So let's get it started. 15 steps to help you overcome depression and sadness. Depression is far different from simply being unhappy and may be crippling. Unhappiness is frequently the result of something, such being turned down or not receiving the job you wanted. The feeling of depression is prevalent. It almost feels like you are in a pitch-black, dark tunnel. Hope is lost, and activities you once enjoyed become a burden. Even winning the lotto would not make someone instantly feel better, and telling someone who is miserable to get their act together is never a smart idea. Although it isn't so easy, there are strategies to reduce the signs and symptoms of depression. 11. Connect with friends. When depressed, this can be one of the hardest things to do, but it's also one of the most satisfying pursuits. Compel yourself to leave. It may seem like a good idea to isolate oneself from others, but set a boundary and then venture out again. This can significantly improve your mood. 12. Get enough sleep. Mood and sleep are intimately related. While getting enough sleep might improve well-being, getting little sleep can lead to irritation and stress. Studies have shown that even a little lack of sleep has a big impact on mood. Make sure you get enough sleep. It will boost your mood and general well-being. Your cerebral clarity, productivity, emotional stability, creativity, physical vigor, and even your weight are all directly influenced by the quality of your sleep. Aim for between 7.5 and 9 hours of sleep per night, because no other exercise offers so many advantages with such little effort. 13. Forgive others. We are the ones who experience wrath when we harbor resentments. Most likely, the person we are furious with is happily going about their business, entirely unaware of your feelings. Don't give others this kind of control over you. If they have ever caused you pain, try not to let that pain fester because it only impacts you and not them. They are not deserving of your time, therefore find a way to forgive them. Reduce your emotional burden, and you'll feel better and be able to fight off depression. 14. Exercise. Regular exercise provides advantages for assisting with depression recovery. Endorphins are released during exercise, which raises mood and strengthens natural defenses. Regular exercise not only improves your mood but also has other health advantages like lowering blood pressure, preventing cancer and heart disease, and enhancing self-esteem. Experts recommend engaging in 30 to 60 minutes of moderate activity, such as brisk you desire to withdraw from society and vanish. While taking a break is acceptable, set a time limit for yourself and follow it with something constructive to lift your spirits. There can be a lovely life beyond depression, as I personally know from experience. Depression can be well controlled. Keep the faith and persevere. Although the aforementioned advice may be helpful, persistent depression should be looked into further, and consulting a doctor about any symptoms is a good first step. Please like and subscribe to our channel for life-changing content and hit the like button. Thank you for watching. Have a wonderful day.